Hi class. So I've gotten several emails from students asking about how they will submit their work. I'm going to change this to student view and I'm going to show you what it is that you have to submit for your assignment. Alright, so we're going to scroll down, of course, to week 7, which is where you are. You've got two submissions here. You've got your week 7 course project submission and your week 7 course project presentation. Your project submission is 220 points and your project presentation is 100 points. So let's go into the first one. Your project submission. Your instructions tell you compile weeks 2 through 6 deliverables into one document and submit. What that means is everything that you've done, your policies that you created, your communication tools, your incident reporting, your checklist, all of this information that you've been working on throughout this entire class, you will compile into one document and you will submit it here in this spot. Now, I'm going to post a video that will show you how to combine everything into one document. If you are having trouble with putting everything into one document, there is another way that you can submit it. You can submit them separately. So you'll go in and start your assignment. And let's just say you want to upload your first file. You'll upload your first one, you'll attach it, and I'm just going to give you an example of this is not anything that for your class. This is just me showing you how to attach a document. All right, so you attached your first document. Well, then you've got another document. You're going to hit add another file. You'll go back into your computer and you'll add your second file. Let's just say that that would be your reporting tools. So everything will be included, and then once you finish, you'll hit submit assignment. And this again, if you look at your instructions, is a compilation of everything from weeks 2 through 6 that you are submitting. That's your 2 policies, your incident reporting tool, your checklist, and your 2 communication tools. All of these things will be compiled. If you don't remember everything that's supposed to be here, you can go back to your course project overview and it'll tell you exactly what is included, what your items are. So if you go back, you'll see your policies, your 2 separate policies. Each policy should be 2 to 3 pages. Submit that. Your reporting tools. You've got your incident reporting form that you created. Then you've got your checklist you created. Then you've got your communication tool, which is your 2 things that you created, whether it was an email, a flyer, a handout, a poster, those 2 things. And you're going to submit all of that information. That is a part of your grade. Okay. Then the second thing that you're going to submit, if you'll go back to week 7, course project presentation. This is where you're going to upload your presentation that you're recording. Your presentation is a presentation of your findings. That's everything we talked about in the last recorded session that you need to tell these people about. You know, this is their background. This is the assessment findings. These are the policies we had to create. These are the tools I had to create. This is the communication that we're doing to tell people about our training. And that's the presentation that you're going to submit to share with leadership as to why you need to do this training. Okay? So you're going to, your instructions tell you submit the presentation of your findings and overall evaluation. This is worth 100 points. You can have screen prints in the document submitted inside of the presentation. You will come in, you will record it. You can record it as a PowerPoint. You can do it as a video. You can do, as long as I can see your face, hear your voice, and you are doing your presentation, you can then upload it here, and that is your assignment. So these instructions are pretty clear. They're here in modules for week 7. You have 2 submissions to make. The first is where you're going to submit again for 220 points. Everything that you've been doing all during the course, your 2 policies, your incident report, your form, your incident report form and your checklist, and your communication tools, which is your flyer, your brochure. And then you're going to turn in your presentation. Submit that. I'm going to post this video, and then I'm going to post a video to show you how to combine all your documents if you choose to combine everything into one document, or if you don't know how to use that technology to combine everything into one document. I will take it if you want to submit everything separately. Again, let me show you how to do that. You can upload one file. Once you uploaded that one, you hit plus, you upload another file, and you can upload all of the files that you've created. Make sure that you put a note that says, here are all the files I've created, or this is one document with everything that I've created. Let me know what it is, and then you can upload that. So, yes, those are the instructions. If you still have questions, you can go back and review the videos from the live session that are posted. And I look forward to seeing your submissions.